In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Second Brain in Notion template 5 minutes. First, log into Notion so we can build everything inside your workspace. We'll be following the PRA method by Tiago Forte, which stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. Think of it as a simple structure to capture what you're doing now, what you're responsible for, what you're learning, and what you're finished with. Start by creating a new page and name it Para. Instead of filling it with basic pages, we're going to use databases. Databases unlock powerful features like relations, filters, and customizable views, which is what makes this system feel like a true second brain. Create your project's database. Add properties like status with options such as to do, in progress, and done. Add a deadline date so you can sort and filter by urgency. Then add a relation property that connects each project to your area's database. This keeps work tied to its broader purpose. Create your area's database next. These are the ongoing parts of your life and work, like business, personal, or home. They don't really end, so they help you keep projects anchored to what matters most. Now, build a resources database. Treat this like your library for notes, links, and media. Add tags for topics so you can group related ideas. If you use the Notion web clipper, send articles straight here and tag them for easy retrieval. For archives, you can either make a separate database or more simply create filtered views in your other databases that show items where status is archived. The key is to keep finished items out of your active views while keeping them searchable. Link projects to areas using the relation you created. Every project should support one of your areas, which helps you avoid orphaned work. Also, link resources to specific projects so relevant notes and references are one click away. Now, build a master dashboard as your home base. Add a linked view of your project's database showing only items marked in progress, and choose a gallery view for a visual snapshot. Add a daily tasks section as a list view that shows tasks connected to active projects and filtered to what's due or scheduled for today. Finally, add an inbox, a simple table where you can brain dump ideas, links, or notes before sorting them into projects, areas, or resources later. That's your streamlined second brain in Notion, clear, connected, and ready to scale with you.